Daydrinking with Gary and Elliot. Daydrinking with Gary and Elliot. Daydrinking with Gary.
Oh, hi. Hey, guys. How's it going? So, after making the how to make an old-fashioned video, I thought, I'm not going to just stop there. You don't want me to just stop there, do you? I don't think so. So, today we're going to do a quick and easy one. I'm going to make a Gibson. Now, a Gibson is gin and dry vermouth and pickled onion, stirred on ice in a cocktail glass. Super easy. Now, you might also realize that that is pretty much a martini. Now, a martini is also gin and dry vermouth and an olive or an orange twist and some orange bitters. So let's make a Gibson. So I'm going to start with an ounce and a half of London Dry gin. Got a bottle of Ford's here, great stuff. And I've also got a bottle of Dolan Dry Vermouth. I'm going to put an ounce and a half of that in there as well. I like my Gibsons 50-50. I like my martinis that way too. Now, traditionally, you don't put orange bitters in a martini. I mean, you do in a martini, you don't put them in a Gibson. I like mine with a little bit of that orangey flavor, so I'm going to put them in. Okay, that's it. Now we gotta add ice. So since we're using refrigerator ice, we gotta use a lot so that it stays down in the drink, it doesn't float, and it chills your drink really fast. So stir it fast and for a short amount of time so it doesn't over dilute, but you still get a nice cold drink. Strainer. Now, sometimes you'll get a Gibson that's just got one onion in it. I like two. They're small. And there you have it, a Gibson.
With Gary and Elliot, the only place to go.
Cheers. Be safe, be well, wash your hands, and we'll see you next time.
Daydrinking.